うんいや
So do you want a tequila, babe? Mom said you could have a tequila.
I did not.
She said, "Tome taquito." Is that cool, like calling somebody taquito from?
Hello, I am doing a review for this fabulous keyboard. I am in love with it. It is the X71. I have it in just the general light up when you turn on the keyboard. It paired very easily via Bluetooth. I'm using an iPad Pro 12.9. I did not try the other options of how you can sync it up with cord. I don't have a computer that I would be using this for to be able to try that. And also too, I believe it said you could hook it up to Wi-Fi or something like that. Again, it's just easier for me to do Bluetooth, so that's what I've set it up under. It is so easy to type on, like, I mean, super easy. Apparently a lot of people like to hear the sound of a keyboard, so I am going to be quiet and type so you can hear. Yeah, so like I said, I am loving this keyboard. It is so easy to type on. Like, I can't even begin to tell you how easy it is. I have arthritis and a lot of health issues, so certain keyboards are difficult for me to type on, but not with this one. It is so easy. I type tons with this, where I am not able to do that with other keyboards. It came with the cord and a couple of the switches, I believe you call them, and a few more caps, and then the thing to swap out the take off the keys if you want to swap out the switches underneath. But I'm loving how it is, so I'm gonna leave it just as, and then just program it for what colors I want on the keyboard. But yeah, I am loving it, and I think you will too. Have a great day.